Hello all. Today's session we are going to see about DECT, okay, which comes under our GSM system. Okay, so DECT, which is nothing but it's a digital enhanced cordless telecommunication. Okay, it's a digital wireless telephone. Whereas before days we have used a analog cordless phone, but nowadays we have moved to the digital wireless telephone technology. So our using a digital wireless telephone technology, mobile phones will be look like this. Okay, it's like a cordless phone only, but we are using digital instead of analog. See, that's what they are saying. Unlike the analog cordless phones you may have in your home, okay, DECT is the digital wireless. Okay, wireless in the sense we can carry it over anywhere we going. Telephone technology that is expected to make cordless phones much more common in both the business and the homes in the future. Okay, so before this we have used analog based cordless phone. Nowadays we are using the digital based cordless phones. Okay, that is the difference. Next. So before formally it is called as the digital European cordless telecommunication, but actually it is the digital enhanced cordless telecommunication only. But formally, in the sense, previously they are calling digital European cordless because it has been developed by the European countries. Okay, European countries like a companies like they have been developed it. And DECT presence name reflects its global acceptance. Okay, so present name, what is present name? Digital enhanced cordless telecommunication is worldwide accepted name for the DECT. Okay, so next point, see. So like another wireless standard like GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication, DECT uses the time division multiple access to transmit radio signal to the phones. So many multiple access are there, ma. Okay, like time division, then code division multiple access, next is the frequency division. So these are things will be crossed in our paper. Okay, further we will be seeing. So in DECT, what it is using? It is using the TDMA. Okay, for what? To convert the radio signals to the phones. Okay, in order to talk we need a signal, right? So they are converting a radio signal to the phone signals. Okay, whereas GSM is optimized for the mobile travel. Yeah, we have to carry it over anywhere we have going, right? So GSM is optimized for the mobile travel only for over a larger area, but DECT is designed especially for the smaller area. Okay, so using GSM, it's called by the name itself we can understand it's a global, okay, worldwide. DECT is designed especially for the smaller area with the larger number of users. Okay, so should the main motto is to cover. See, for example, Pondicherry is the smaller area. In the Pondicherry, they has to attract the more number of users. Okay, such as in cities and the corporate complexes, they are going for the DECT, right? So user can have a telephone equipped for both the GSM and the DECT. So for user can adopt so both the technology, that is GSM and additionally DECT, that is called as the dual mode phone. Okay, so one who is equipped for adapting for both the technology, that is GSM and the DECT, are calling it as the dual mode phone. Okay, so it will be like this. Next, so applications of DECT. So first application is the cordless private branch exchange. Next is the WLL. Next, cordless terminal mobility. Next is the home cordless phones. Next is the GSM or the DECT internetworking. Okay, so we'll be seeing one by one over here. Okay, first one is the cordless private branch exchange. Okay, so here what they are doing is the company can connect to a wired telephone company and redistribute signals by radio antenna to the large numbers. Okay, so company are connecting to the wired telephone company. Okay, and by getting the signal from the wired telephone company, they are redistributing to the members who are working inside the company. Okay, so each with a separate number. Okay, so number will be different for a block 1, block 2, block 3 in a company. Okay, so cordless would be especially useful and save cost in company with the what? Especially with the movable employee. That is, employee should not sit in one place and work. He or she has to be moved from one place to the another place, so that he can carry a cordless mobile with him. And such as those in the large barrows. So like mobile employee, large barrows, they can use the cordless mobile phones. Okay, next one is the wireless local loop. So wireless local loops will be especially installed in the urban area, and see, with the same antenna, a multiple user can share the signal. Okay, so an antenna will be same, so multiple user can access with the same antenna. That is called as the wireless. The third application is the cordless terminal mobility. So some arrangement will be done by the company for their business purpose. Okay, using the cordless mobiles. Okay, so same will be used by the individual subscriber also. So same setup can be used by individual subscriber also to use the cordless terminal mobility. So in general, they are saying mobility would be less than that available for the GSM user. Okay, so mobility would be less. Okay, mobility in the sense what move would be less than that available for the GSM user. We are saying. And last one is the home cordless phone. Home cordless phone is nothing but normally we are using cordless mobiles which are using in our home. Okay, so individuals uses. Okay, a single house may have a single antenna. So using that antenna, only the particular house living persons alone can access it. Okay, that is called as the home cordless phones. Okay, so you can select any 2 or 3 applications over here. Okay, and write. So next is the DECT protocol stack. So like our TCP IP and OS reference model, here also we are having some layers. Okay, so protocol stack of DECT depicted figure is used both at the mobile unit and the base station unit. Okay, so same will be used for the mobile unit also, that is mobile station and also base station. Okay, same protocol stack will be used for the MS and the BSL. So layers pathina, physical layer, medium access control layer, data link layer will be there, and above that will be consist of the different services offered by the DECT. Okay, so those services include call control. They are saying supplementary services. You already have seen, right? Supplementary services, call waiting, call forwarding, like that. Next is the connection-less message service. Next, connection-oriented message service, and the mobility management. Okay, so see the fourth point, DECT MAC layer controls the layer 1. So this is the MAC layer which controls the layer 1, which is called as the physical layer. It also provides connection-oriented, connectionless, and broadcast service to the upper layer. Okay, upper layer in the DECT protocol stack. So MAC layer controlling the physical layer, and MAC layer providing the connection-oriented, connectionless broadcast service to the upper layer over it. Okay, so and also it provides the encryption functionality. Okay, with using the cipher protocol. Okay, so next one is the DECT frame structure. Okay, just understand what is frame structure. Okay, no need to draw this full diagram. So just understand what is frame structure. So DECT frame duration is about 10 ms millisecond. Okay, so duration in the sense what travel time. Okay, so it is composed of 24 time slots. So 12 and 12 each, which is 24 time slots. So 12 time slots are allocated for the base terminal to handle direction, and 12 logical time slots are allocated for the handset to the base terminal direction. So one frame equal to 10 ms. Okay, so that one frame has 24 time slots. That is, we are dividing into splitting into over 2. That is 12 and the 12. So first 12 time slots allocated for the base terminal, and the next 12 logical time slots allocated for the handset. Okay, so next one time slot. Okay, that is one time slot. This each box will be calling as the time slot. So one time slot equal to permeable plus synchronization plus the field, A field, B field plus X field plus guard width. Okay, then that field, no, that is sorry, it's not a field, it's a field. Okay, you just change it in your note also. Field equal to header, data, and the CRC. Okay, cyclic redundancy code. Next, B field equal to data CRC, data CRC, data CRC, data CRC. Okay, see, the one time slot they have taken over here and they are dividing it over slot God. Okay, next synchronization D field. Next A field, B field, X field. Okay. Next they are taking over the B field alone and they are giving data C, data C, data C, B field, data CRC, data CRC, data CRC and the data CRC. Okay, next synchronization field is used by receiver to synchronize with the start of the frame. Okay, synchronization is the joining, right? A field carries control or management signal. That is A field. That is B field carries user data and the information. So synchronization field is used by the receiver to synchronize the data. A field carries control or management signal. B field carries user data or the information. Right. So next one is the DECT ULE, that is ultra low energy. Okay, so DECT ULE is the largest standard upgradation of the DECT standard. So one of the upgrade or updated version is the DECT ULE. It supports many additional features which were not available in the previous DECT. Okay, so like it supports low power consumption and delivering the long range. Okay, long range in the sense what before we have seen a smaller area with a multiple person we'll be using the DECT, but here they are saying larger. Okay, it delivers to the long range. Okay, so last is it supports moderate data rate and lower latency based applications. Okay, so moderate data rate and the lower latency based applications they are giving where DECT ULE, which is the upgraded version of a DECT. Clear? So that's it. Today we have covered DECT. Right. Okay. Difference between analog and the digital. How the name has been changed from the digital European cordless telecommunication to the digital enhanced cordless telecommunication. Then we have seen about multiple accesses. Next, dual mode 4, followed by application cordless, wireless loop, and terminal mobility and home cordless phone, followed by protocol stack, physical MAC data link, and the services about the data link layer. And MAC layer will control physical layer and give some service to the upper layer over it. Next, we have seen frame. Okay, so one frame consists of the 24 slots, will be divided into 2, 12 and the 12 slots. Next, we have seen we have taken one slot and we have seen A field, B field and the synchronized field over here, followed by DECT ULE, which is the upgraded version of a DECT. Okay, if you have any doubt, please kindly ask me. Okay, take care.